Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken tacos. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of chicken, either breast or thighs, along with fresh tortillas and your favorite taco toppings. Consider a simple marinade of lime juice, chili powder, cumin, and a little olive oil to infuse your chicken with incredible flavor right from the start. This initial step sets the stage for a truly satisfying meal. Now let's cook that chicken to perfection. After marinating for at least 30 minutes, you can grill, pan fry, or bake your chicken. Aim for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure it's fully cooked and juicy. Once done, let it rest for a few minutes before shredding or dicing it into small, manageable pieces. This step is crucial for tender, flavorful chicken that will be the star of your tacos. With your chicken ready, it's time for the fun part, assembling your tacos. Gently warm your tortillas on a dry skillet or in the microwave for about 15 seconds each. This makes them pliable and prevents tearing. Start with a generous portion of your flavorful chicken, then add your favorite toppings. Think shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, a sprinkle of cheese, and a dollop of fresh salsa or creamy guacamole. Get creative. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your incredible homemade chicken tacos. Arrange all your toppings buffet style so everyone can customize their perfect taco. Consider serving them with a side of rice and beans, or a simple green salad. These tacos are fantastic for a casual weeknight dinner or a lively gathering with friends. Get ready to savor every delicious bite of your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.